These animals need your help every single day. You can go to the Austin Zoo at austinzooonline.com. Donate something to help these animals stay healthy. The zoo can't hold a lot of them. You can. I need everybody on this. Help as you can. Anything is help. Even $1 a cent is helpful. Thank you, everybody.